What were
Yeah.
some of the biggest challenges that these facility managers were facing?
Being able to justify the decisions they make.
Okay.
So you got to look at facilities in general as a cost center.
Okay.
A CFO, accounting, anybody else are going to go like, all you guys do is spend money.
Yeah.
So how do I help them become a cost avoidance center?
Yep.
That's by allowing them to justify the particular spend that they're doing to show a long-term ROI,
Okay.
or at least give them the ammunition to go, hey, this is why I need to do this. So whether it be from CapEx replacements, planning for those things, to why did I decide to repair this thing instead of just buy a new one?
Yep.
Those are some really big challenges they're facing because most of the information they receive is subjective, anecdotal. They're calling guys like us. We can send 3 different techs out. They're going to give us 3 different assessments. So yeah, one guy goes, it seems fine. The other guy goes, man, this thing's a hunk of junk. We got to trash it. So we wanted to really go, hey, what I found is they just did not have that objective information, objective data to say, this is the reason why I made this decision and this is where I'm going.
Yeah.
So in general, I can get into the details of some of the other things, but really the system, what we're trying to do is go, hey, all the data is right here. We're going to teach you how to analyze it. We're going to make it simple to analyze so you can just go, here's CFO, this is why I did this.
So have you always been this kind of person where you're very data driven, where you make decisions off of that? Because I used to run a company for 10 years where I sold it, and it was a martial arts and personal training studio.
Mm-hmm.
And I made all of my business decisions based off of numbers.